Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G Pure, and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. First of all, go into settings and scroll all the way down. Then click on About Phone at the bottom. Now you need to access device name option over here and type in wherever you wish to. When you're ready, click on OK and confirm your choice by choosing OK in device name pop-up. As you can see, after that, the name of my Motorola has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!